Children, how are you all? Welcome back to online computer class. From today onward, we will start our regular classes after vacation. Diwali vacation is over now. Now we will start our classes. Now, children, see, last time before Diwali vacation, we have started with the logo lesson and we completed it, right? Before vacation. Logo, log on to logo. We have learned a new lesson and new software, that is logo. Log on to logo. Logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented. It's a new computer language which we have learned. Right, children? Do you remember that? Okay. See here. This is logo window. I have sent you a notes also. In the notes, the activity which you have to do, that activity, all the programs which you have to do in the logo window, that I have already sent it to you in the notes. Okay, children, today we will do the activity on the logo. Okay, the activity of page number 34. Page number 34. Okay, before that we will revise which are the commands we have seen in this lesson. Which are the commands we have seen in this lesson? We have seen FD command. These are the primitives. Okay, we call these are primitives. FD. FD means forward, to take the turtle forward. Then RT, right turn. RT command is to take the turtle right, to tell your turtle to move right or turn right. We give RT command. Then LT. LT, what is the full form of LT? Left turn. We tell the turtle to turn left. Next, BK, back, to take the turtle backward. Okay, to move the turtle back, we give back command, BK command. BK primitives. Okay, and also we have seen by, BYE, by. By means close the logo window, close the logo screen. And also one more useful command is CS space CT. What is CS space CT? Clear screen, clear text. To clear the full screen of logo, whatever picture you have drawn on the screen, you can type the CS space CT, that is to clear screen and clear text. So children, we will do the activity of page number 34. The activity number 1 and activity number 3. Figure. Number 1 figure and number 3 figure. That I will show you now how to do in the logo. Okay children, and all the steps I have already sent it to you in the notes. You see the question answer notes. In that note below on the last page, you can see all these commands, all these programs to draw that figure number 1, figure number 2, figure number 3 and figure number 4. All the commands, all the programs I have given. You try accordingly and draw. Okay children, now we will see how to do in the MS logo. Children, we will open MS logo first. Okay, click on the start button. You can see on the start button there is MS window logo. Okay, click on that, enter, or you can click. Okay, now you will get like this window. Close this or click on OK. Then your Microsoft window will get open. Okay children, this is our Microsoft logo window. Okay, now see, you know this triangle is turtle, and we have also seen where we type the command. This is the place where we type the command, input box. Okay children, now see, today we are going to do one activity which is on the page number 34. Which is on the page number 34, lab activity. Okay children, now first number 1 figure, one flag is given. Okay, how to draw this figure in Microsoft logo we will see now. The commands, I will give you the commands and you see accordingly the turtle will move. Now look here, I will type your command, FD space 100. We will take 200. Okay, first line, straight line we will draw of 200. Now, and press enter key, or you can click on this execute command. Okay, and see the turtle. See, you can see the turtle has moved forward, FD 200. Now turn turtle to right side, turn turtle to right, RT 90 degree. Okay, RT 90 you type in the input box and press enter key or execute command. You can see the turtle will move right, take a right turn. Now type FD 100. Now tell turtle to move forward by 100 steps, 100 100, and now press enter key. You can see the turtle. Okay, now again you tell turtle to take a right turn, 90, RT 90. Okay children, enter. Now you can see the turtle has turned right. Okay, now again give a command, FD 100, FD space 100, and press enter key. You can see turtle has moved forward 100 step. Now again take a right turn, RT 90. Now you see, okay, right turn 90. Now again give FD space 100, command FD space 100, and press enter key, or you can click on this execute button and see this figure. You can see in the on the page number 34, first figure which we have completed, and these are the primitives, and this is, see here, you can see all these primitives, FD 200, RT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 100. See, this is one program to draw this flag, in the MS logo. Okay children, this one program we have done in MS logo. See, all these programs I have given you in the notes. I have already given this in the notes. Now children, see, now we will clear the screen, this screen and this text. Okay, how to clear this screen and text? Which command? You know that command. Okay, we have done CS and space CT. What is the meaning of CSCT? Clear screen, clear text, and press enter key. Children, press enter key. You can see, we have cleared the screen also and the text also. Okay, now we will start the next figure which is there on the page number 34 only. The figure number 3. We will do figure number 3. Okay, now how to do that figure? We will give a command. We will type 11 primitives. Okay, FD, first take 200, FD 200, and press enter key. Okay, see, now we have drawn one line. Now see, we will give one more command, that is BK 100. We will tell the turtle to move backward. Okay, we will take the turtle back, BK and space, then you type 100 here. You type, give a space and type 100 and press enter key or execute. Now you can see the turtle has moved backward. Okay, it will come back 100 step. It is at the center of that line. Okay, now we will take one right turn but not 90. We will take 45 degree. How much we will take a right turn? 45. RT space 45 and we will press enter key. You can see. Okay, now you can see the turtle. It has moved 45 degree angle. Okay, right turn. Now press FD again. Tell turtle to move forward 100 steps. FD 100 and press enter key. You can see this line. See exactly in the figure number 3. Okay, it is like that. Now again take turtle back, BK 100. How much we will take back? 100. Now, okay, now again take a right turn of 45. Right turn of 45. Okay, see. Now again tell turtle to move forward. Take turtle forward, type a primitive FD 100. See now. Okay, now again take turtle back, BK space 100 and press enter key. You can see the turtle. Okay, now again take a right turn of 45. You can see now. Okay, now again give a command FD 100. FD space 100 enter. See here in the figure. Okay, now take turtle back. Okay, again how many steps we will take back? 100. Same command you have to follow. Okay, FD 100 RT 45, FD 100 RT 45. Now see, we have already drawn one line on the 45 degree angle. Now we will take a turn of 90. See, RT space 9090. 1 minute. We see here we have got one error because we have not given a space in this command. So the space is very important. See, give space, otherwise you will get like this error if you will not give space between the command. Now give space. See here. Okay, now again I will type FD 100. Okay, again take a turtle back, BK 100. Again take RT 45, not 90, 45 and give enter command. Okay, again FD space 100. Again take the turtle back, BK space 100 and give enter key. Okay, again take the turtle right turn, RT 45. Press enter key. Now again tell your turtle to go move ahead, FD 100 and see the figure exactly in the figure number 3. Okay, take the turtle back, BK 100. You can see this figure. See here. Okay, figure number 3 on the page number 34. See. Okay, and this is the program to draw this figure lines. Okay, now this program also I have given in the notes. You have this program in the notes of lesson number 5. Okay children, understood how to draw this and how to type the program to complete one figure? Okay children, now we will clear the screen. How to clear the screen? CS space CT. Enter. Now clear. Now we want to close this window. Which is the command to close the window, children? To close logo window, which is the command? To close logo window, we type here by. Which command? By. BYE, by. You can see here. And press enter key, or you can press here execute button and see the logo will get closed. Logo window will get closed. Okay, children, understood how to do in the MS logo, how to draw figures. Okay, children, I hope you all understood how to draw all these figures. Okay, children, you try these all at home in the MS logo. For that, you need to have MS logo window in your computer. Last time also I told you to download MS logo. How many of you have done that? Do you have MS logo with you? Then only you can do this. Okay, children? So, next online session, we will start with our lesson number 6. That is using primitives. Lesson number 6 we will start next online class. Okay, children? Till then, have a good day.